Alright, so I want to show you how I fixed a problem with my stairs. So coming down the stairs, there's about 11 steps that come down, and each tread is about, we'll call it 11 so much inches. Then we hit a landing, you make a right turn, and then the next tread down is 9.5 inches, inch and a half short. And it does that for the next 3 steps going down to the floor. So I'm going to solve that problem. After removing the vinyl flooring, I cut a 2x8 and placed it against the riser, which extended it by 1.5 inches. Then on the next step, I did 2 more 2x8s. Then on the third step at the bottom, put in another 3 3x8s. This will give me about an 11-inch tread on each step. Because of the 3 3x8s at the bottom step, it did extend out beyond the wall. So I just put in a piece of block there, and you'll see why later. But this is the finished result with 1 2x8, 2 2x8s, and 3 3x8s at the bottom step. So here's the finished result. Put the flooring back along with new risers. And as you can see, the step that was 9 inches is now 11. And then going to the next one is 11. The next one at the bottom is also going to 11. You'll see there at the corner piece, I did a nice return on the bullnose. So here's the before. Then here's the after. So now I have a full 11-inch tread down there at the bottom. It just really surprised me that they just couldn't extend that closet there on the left another 3 inches so that all the treads would be the same. But what do I know? I'm happy with the results. Thanks for watching.